Home, airport, hotel, convention. We are going to our first tattoo convention coming up, and we need good organization and storage that's easy to carry and bring with us. How are we going to do that? Whoa! We got something right here to check out. This is a makeup train that is on rollers. It has separate containers, and I think it's the right thing to hold our stuff for this tattoo convention. But let's make sure we open up and try it out and do a review for you guys so that you know if it's right for you. Don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Let's take a look. Okay, I think these I can just pull off. Got these things in here. So more of these in there. That's good. I like packaging. It shows they tried. So it's really nicely packaged. Thank you guys for doing that. Got some corner protectors inside and on the outside. Go. Yeah. I like it. So it's not on its own. It's not super lightweight, so it's definitely good material, seems like. Not too heavy either. Definitely something I can move. You can see here, this is the front, and here on the back is the contraption for rolling. And there's how high it goes. Maxed out right there. Okay, put that back down. And we're gonna open. Ooh, we got a couple keys. Here's the makeup case part of it. And that goes down into this first depth line. So nothing in that one. All right, we're gonna open these up, I think, one by one. Cool, so that's how you take it apart. You got this box over here. Maybe you do actually keep your makeup in there. And yay, there's wheels. So they did give us wheels too. So we're gonna add those to the bottom. And there's some dividing. Oh, good, it comes out so I can show you. Another box, more keys. There's like, are there keys? Yeah, to every drawer? There are, huh? Yeah, there's keys for this drawer as well. I'm calling them drawers, but they're like storage bins. They don't actually pull out. There's more dividers here so you can alter this thing, which is nice. So those are removable and changeable. That's great. Reminds me a little bit of a Pelican case in that way. I feel like a magician. All right, I've got another empty storage bin. Okay, so another about same size as this one. You see you have two that are more narrow, one medium, and then one very large one at the bottom. So that's cool. All right, let's get these wheels on. Yeah, backwards. There we go. So there is right there, forwards and backwards. You'll figure it out. If it's not pushing on, flip it around. There we go. Awesome. So here's that lower section, and we can see now it's moving around. Cool. It's actually moving really easily on the table, even with the fabric there. It's moving very easily on the table. Cool. So if you're a magician or a tattoo artist, this thing looks pretty awesome. The roller looks decent. So now we can pull this up. Cool. And it has also the multi-directional wheels. Yeah. I like it. Thank you, Oh My Salon. I'm gonna try this baby out. Hey guys, we're back from the Milwaukee Tattoo Convention. We had a great time. Everything was amazing. I loved meeting all the artists. Thank you guys so much for having us. So the Oh My Salon carrying case I brought with me here, and I had bottles all in the bottom here, which was great. I was able to keep them vertical. A lot of my liquid things that I needed to have there, I kept in this container. And then going up from there, I kept different things, including needles and in the top, just small accessories in the makeup section, which was nice because the makeup section, it has little tiny trays, which are nice to put Q-tips and smaller things that normally just kind of get lost in the sauce. So that was very nice. You have every little segmented area there. So obviously great organization is in this thing, as we've talked about before, so that was great. Actually putting it in action was successful. So other than that, we had to roll this thing around, and in all that time I didn't have any trouble doing that. It was able to roll just fine on the carpet, wood, any kind of surface, over the stone, cement in the parking lot, things like that. So the wheels are actually pretty sturdy and they work just fine for my purposes. I also noticed that a lot of the artists at the convention did have similar cases. So it seems like this is the way to go if you're getting into conventions. And I do recommend getting a tall one because you want to fit as much as you can into one. It's better not to carry two. It's just a little hard to keep it safe that way if you have to. So I recommend just pulling one at a time and getting the taller one and fitting as much as you can into it without getting too heavy. You don't want to like strain yourself or anything, or strain the material of the box, but I don't think you can put anything too heavy in there for the purposes of tattooing. So as far as sturdiness, I was able to fit a ton of stuff in here, a bunch of liquid and things like that. So it did weigh quite a bit, and it was able to carry all that weight just fine. And I was also concerned with all that weight, how it would be protected, but everything was great. Nothing got hurt, nothing got damaged, and it seems super sturdy. If it topples over, I think it will stay together and it'll keep everything, you know, organized pretty well still. Obviously you don't want to knock it over too much, so try not to do that. These locks are only so strong. You don't want to like test the strength of that. The way they fit back together and come apart, also no trouble with that. All of that went really well. All right, guys, that wraps up our review of the makeup train carrying case from Oh My Salon. Super happy with this. I want you guys to get your 5% off and enjoy this product as well. If you want that 5% off though, please use the code in the description below. And don't forget to like and subscribe while you're at it. We love and cherish your support. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.